In this video, I'm going to show you a full step-by-step guide on exactly how to connect your GameSir controller to your PlayStation 5. So, to be able to connect your GameSir controller to PlayStation 5, what you will need is one of those right here, a Wingman P5 converter here. As you can see, this is what you need to be able to make this work. So now with this converter here, what I'm going to do is to grab the dongle that is connected to my GameSir controller. And then the dongle is gonna go at the back of the Wingman P5 adapter. Then it's gonna go into, I'm just gonna remove this one, this is for my headset. Then I'm just gonna turn around my PlayStation 5 here real quick. And then I'm gonna insert it right here. Perfect. So now when it's inserted into my PlayStation 5, what I'm going to do now is to just simply click right here on the dongle so it actually blinks orange really quickly. Then on my controller here, on my GameSir controller, I'm just gonna click here and here, and then on this button and this one. It might be different for your specific one, but just put them into pairing mode. And put them into pairing mode so it actually obviously recognizes the GameSir dongle here, as you can see. So now when it blinks green here consistently, I'm going to show you a pretty cool thing here now. So you can see if I click on a profile here, the controller is now connected to my PlayStation 5, the GameSir, and without any lag whatsoever. I know some people fear input lag. I haven't had any whatsoever actually. You can see it's completely perfect, like no input lag, at least for me at all. So I was able to connect my GameSir controller here, as you can see, using the Wingman P5 adapter. And if you want to be able to get this specific adapter here, I have left a link for it in my description, and yes, it is an affiliate link, so I may earn a small commission if you purchase through it at no extra cost to you, just if you want to be able to support my channel.